The next part. Enter Alonso, Sebastian, Antonio, Ferdinand, Gonzalo, and others. These people left their cabin and reached the deck of the boat. They should not be on the top of the boat during that period of time. First of all these people were working hard to safeguard each other. Number two, it was very terrible situation, and the sea will not descend to the order of the king. Instead, only those people, those mariners, the master and boatswain could save all the people. So these people are causing trouble instead of helping anyone. So in this situation, they should be inside their cabin instead of being on the floor of the ship. Alonso, good boatswain, have care. Here, instead of good, use the term dear boatswain. Have care means be careful. Where is the master? Now, what is the master? They are asking, where is the master? Question is, why should they be here? Number one, and number two, they are actually interrupting the work of this sportsman. They are working extremely hard in this time of danger and crisis. So they should not be disturbed or troubled in such way. Where is the master? Boatswain. Play the men. Play the men means be like men, be masculine. Play the men means be masculine, be strong and work hard. They should have lent their hands instead of giving such kind of advice. Boatswain, I pray now, keep below. Keep below means instead of standing on the top of the ship, on the floor of the ship, instead you go inside, go to your cabin. You will not shorten the trouble. You will only do what? You will increase the trouble. Boatswain, I pray now, keep below. Antonio, where is the master, boatswain? Till now they are same thing they are repeating. Where is the master? Next. Boatswain, do you not hear him? Can't you hear him giving orders to others? Can't you hear his voice? He is giving order from a certain position of the boat so that all can reach the land safely. Can't you hear in such situation? You mar our labor. Mar means spoil or destroy. These people, these royal people, they are doing nothing. Instead, they are just spoiling the hard labor, hard work of the mariners and boatsmen as well as the master. They are good for nothing. Keep your cabins, that means go to your cabin or go inside. You do assist the storm. You are not helping us, instead, you are helping the storm to destroy everyone. By standing on the deck, they are not helping anyone. They are just interrupting the work of all the mariners. And what will happen? It will help the storm to destroy the boat as well as take the life of everyone. Next. Gonzalo, no. Good, be patient. It is written no, good, be patient. No, good fellow, be patient means be calm, calm. Boatswain, when the sea is, hence. That means when the sea becomes calm, I will also be calm. So boatswain is a true boatsman, a true mariner, a true captain. He is telling that he will only take rest when the sea will be rested, that means when the sea will become calm. What cares this? So when the sea is means when the sea is going to be calm. Hence the meaning is written is go away. Go away means what will go away? The storm will go away. So when the storm will become and the sea will become, he will also going to be calm. What scares these rowers for the name of the king? The rowers means the huge waves of the ship. the huge waves of the ship as well as the winds, the storm and the waves. Okay. The name of the king, that means these waves care nothing about the king and the official. These are not human beings, the waves and the storm. They are natural element and they don't care a king or the council. They have same effect for the poor and rich, tall and short, fat and thin, and for everyone, fair and foul. For everyone, the storm and the waves will have same effect. So they are not at all worried or concerned about the order of the king. So instead of giving order on the deck, they should go back to their cabins. Otherwise, they will only interrupt the works of these people. Silence. Go to the cabin and be silent. Trouble us not. Do not disturb us. They are getting disturbed at the presence of this official or the kingly people. These are the royal people. Gonzalo, go yet remember whom you hast abroad. Yet remember whom thou means you, hast mean have abroad. That means just remember whom you had got on the boat with you. Just remember whom you have got on the board, on the boat, P-O-A-T, boat, with you. Good man. He should remember the identity of these people to whom he is speaking so rough. Next, boatswain. None that I more than myself. Yes, there are many royal people on the ship, but he cares nothing. He loves himself more than anyone else on the boat. It is the fact. We love ourselves the most. So here boatswain is talking about the reality. He is telling that in such devastating situation, in such disturbing situation, in such storm and waves, he can love no one else more than his own self. You are a counselor. Who is a counselor? Gonzalo is a counselor. That means a king's advisor who advises the king. If you can command this element, these elements, the storm, the violent storm and the dangerous waves, if you can command means order the storm and the waves, to silence and work the peace of the present, to come down. We can all put down, this is written, will not hand a rope more. That means if you can command, if you can order, if you can give order to this element, to this storm and to this destruction, to silence, to be silent and work the peace of the present. And work the peace of the present means and let us work in peace. Just look at here what is provided here. Here elements in wind, wave, storm, ocean, etc. We will not hand a rope more. That means if their order can be followed by the storm, by the waves, by the ocean, then there is no need to work for these mariners. They are working hard in order to protect themselves. And if these people, this king, counselor or the royal people think their order is to be followed by everyone, then let them order the ocean, let them order the storm to stop. Then there will be no need for these people to work so hard. So what's written? Let us read once more. If you can command this element to silence and work the peace of the present, and if you can order this element means this storm, ocean and other things, and if you can order them to be patient, to be peaceful, then what will happen? Then these people have no work to do. We will not hand a rope more. We will not hand a rope means we will not work hard anymore. They are working hard presently, so they will not work hard anymore. Just a minute. If you cannot, if you can't order, if you cannot stop the storm, give thanks you have lived so long. Then you should be happy that you have lived a long time and you are going to die. So the situation is very dangerous, a deadly and fatal situation. He is telling that if you cannot stop the storm, do not interrupt our work. Instead, you go to the cabin, you thank the Almighty, you thank the God for giving you so long a life, because you are going to die, and make yourself ready in your cabin for the mishaps of the year. Mishaps means misfortune of the hour, means of the time. Get ready for the misfortune that is about to come. That means instead go to cabin and get ready to die. Get ready to suffer the misfortune of the hour. Then next, if it so hap, if it comes so that, if it so hap means nothing is provided here in your book. If it so hap, yes, nothing is written. That means if such thing happens, means if such destruction occurs. If such destruction occurs, kindly go to your cabin, pray the God and get ready for death. Obviously, you thank God for giving you so long a life. So they don't want any kind of interruption in their work. These people, these kingly people, they are habituated to order everyone. And now these people are challenging the authority. This is one universal statement made by this man, boatswain. The author is very mortal. Authority is very mortal. The kingly authority is very mortal. It will die along with the king, and the natural elements will not listen to the order of the king. So they cannot stop the storm, neither calm the ocean, neither can steady the ship. So what they can do, they can remain silent and go back to their deck or to their cabins and just wait to die. And who can save them? Only these people, these mariners, their boatsmen, and their master can save them. So they should not interrupt their work, instead they should help them. Out of our way, I say. So please get out of our way, I say. So don't disturb us anymore, I say. So here you can see that death is something that will not discriminate anyone, whether he is a king or queen or anyone. If it comes, it will come equal for everyone. It brings equality actually. After death, everyone will have the same place to go. So here, what we have got in the second class of this drama, that these people are simply interrupting. These people are simply interrupting the activity of those mariners. They should not do so. Instead, they should take care. They should go to their cabin and pray God to survive. Or if you cannot pray God to survive, they can pray God that they should thank God that they have lived long and now they should die. So if you have any doubt, again I would like to tell you, just inform me in comment section or via WhatsApp. We should have a proper interaction. As many times as you wish, you can send your doubts. There is no problem. If you want verbal support, you can call me also. I'll help you in that way. All the phone numbers are provided, and other you can write in comment section also. So thank you. Go through the video properly. If needed, watch twice, thrice, and write down what is going to be, what has been said. Thank you, children. Thank you very much.